Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Got some products that I've been really enjoying for the month of June, and what should I say about this month? I've got, a pillowcase, makeup, skincare, a couple of repeat items, and one product that just didn't work out. And let me go ahead and show you this product that just didn't work. It's by Hourglass and it's the Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. If you saw my video where I was trying new products, I used the setting spray, and as you can see, it just looked a little oily on my skin. So I thought, let me try it on a matte foundation. So I tried it on a matte foundation and it still has that glossy sheen. So I also didn't like how it felt on my skin, didn't like the smell, and also do not like the oily look with this setting spray. And there's quite a bit in here. So yeah, I'll probably hand this over to my daughter, but I tried. I just didn't like this, and it's not cheap. I think this is what, $48? You do get a good amount in here, but for $48, almost $50, you need a setting spray that works a little bit better than this. Now let me show you the pillowcase, and here it is. It's still on my pillow. I know, I just didn't want to take it out because it's kind of wrinkly, so I thought maybe if I keep it on the pillow, it'll be kind of stretched out a little bit. But it's a silk pillowcase by Slip. And I remember when I started watching YouTube, this was all over the place and people were raving about it. And I thought, silk pillowcase, come on. So over the holidays, there was a good discount, so I went ahead and bit the bullet. And yeah, I can see what the hype is about. I have it in the king size pillow, and yeah, it is pricey. It's $110, but I found it for 30% off again over the holidays. And I'm looking for a sale like that again because I want another pair so I don't have to keep washing this and putting it back on the same day. I just want another one for a backup. But using the silk pillow at night, I see a big difference with my hair in the morning and in my skin. My hair is not as messy in the morning, and with my skin, there was a couple of times when, I wake up early in the morning and watch a little TV, then I'll find myself dozing back to sleep, but not on this pillow. And when I woke up, there are creases on my cheeks, or in my cheeks, on my cheeks. So yeah, I can see what the hype is about with the silk pillowcase. So yeah, this has been my favorite, and I'm gonna look for another sale so I could have more, another pair. So yeah, you can see where it says Slip right there. I hope you can see that. A little monogram. I just want to be careful not to put my lipstick over it because I don't want to wash it again right now. Now let's go into makeup, and I have a couple of eyeshadow palettes and I'm wearing them both right now, but let's start with this one by Pat McGrath, the Divine Rose 2. I have it in the limited edition packaging, but when you open it up, look at those shades right there. Let's see, there we go. Oh, it's such a beautiful palette. So what I have in my crease is this shade Naked Blush, and I'm also using it as a blush, and that's kind of like a twofold there. And then what I have on my lid is this shade, this beautiful Bronze Rose. It's just a beautiful, beautiful shade. Oh, look at that. And then this shade right here, it is a trichrome, and yeah, it's got a great shift to it. And I popped this shade in the center of my eye. I believe it's called Astral Pink Moon, just to kind of give me a little bit oomph to my eye look. And yeah, I love this palette. It is a beautiful palette. I also got the Divine Rose 1, and that one, I need to play with that one a little bit more because it's, I don't know, it's just not my favorite, but this one, the Divine Rose 2, is my favorite. The other eyeshadow palette is this one by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm quite shocked that I like Charlotte Tilbury's shadows, her little quads. This one is in the shade Desert Haze, and it's just a beautiful neutral palette. It's all matte, and what I have in the outer corner of my eye is this shade right there. This one, this reddish brown. So I put that one in the outer corner of my eye to give me a little bit of a smoke, and I've used this one several times for a matte look. Yeah, I like this palette. This is a really very pigmented, very smooth on my eyelids kind of a palette. And I like that it's small enough, and I guess this is the size of all her other quads. I don't have any more of her quads, but I may have to look into them now. Another product by Charlotte Tilbury, yes, I know, are these bronzers. The Airbrush Bronzer, and I have two shades, shade number 2 and shade number 3, and I'm wearing them both right now. I just kind of wanted to see how they would work together, and I love these bronzers. They just blend into the skin very nicely, no streaking, and I love the color shades. Here's number 2, and here's number 3, side by side. Number 2, number 3. I did a video using the bronzers and the Desert Haze palette, and I'll link that one down below. And I also did a video with this palette, the Divine Rose 2. I did 3 or 4 looks with that, and I'll link that one down below too. Now the last two products, they are two different foundations and they're repeat favorites, and the reason why I brought them in this month is because I had to get them in a darker shade. It is summertime and I do get darker, so I needed to get some darker shades in my favorite foundations, and one of them is by CoverGirl, the True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and I got it in the shade T15, and the one that I have that's my favorite is M70, and that's more my winter shade. And of course this one by Milani, I had to get it in a darker shade, and I think I got it in a little bit too dark. This one's in the shade 420. I think I needed 400 or 410, but at the rate that I'm going, this shade will be perfect. So even though these are repeat favorites, I just want to let you know that I had to get them in a darker shade. And yeah, so yeah, they work the same, but they are better matched to my skin right now in the summer. Now for the skincare, and this one by Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. It is a watermelon scented toner that kind of minimizes my pores. And yeah, I do have enlarged pores, and I see that this has helped kind of shrink them up a little bit. I do love the watermelon smell, and I'm also smelling a little bit of a cucumber in there too. And you know, every time I put this on my face, I say this could be a great drink with vodka. But enough of that, let me tell you a little bit more about this product. It has watermelon extract, which hydrates and delivers essential vitamins and amino acids to help smooth the skin. It has cactus water that seals in the moisture and prevents moisture loss. And the PHA provides a gentle exfoliation for softer, smoother skin. I use this one at night, right after I cleanse my face, and then I let it sit and dry, and then I'll put the rest of my skincare on. And yeah, I do like this, and I do see a difference with my pores whenever I use this. I also like the shape of the bottle. It has grooves in here, so it's easier to grip if your hands are kind of slippery from your skincare products. So yeah, it's a cute glass bottle. Next is this CBD Oil by St. Jane. I believe it's called the Luxury Beauty Serum. I have been seeing a difference when I started using CBD oil, and Marlene kind of got me hooked on using CBD oil. Finally got a sample of this, and I liked it so much that I bought the full size during the Sephora sale. But I like what I'm seeing with my skin, especially with my acne-prone skin with the inflammation. So this is an antioxidant packed serum with 500 milligrams of the CBD oil plus 20 potent botanicals that help to deeply hydrate, detoxify pores, and boost skin's natural glow. It also has cold-pressed grapeseed oil, which is more powerful than vitamin C. It is packed with omegas, antioxidants, and vitamins to soothe and even the skin tone. And this one I also use at night, and whenever I wake up in the morning, my skin just looks and feels a little bit smoother. So the last product are these circular fluffy pads. I got these in a Look Fantastic box, and I did a video on what this is, and what they are reusable makeup remover pads. I do have the pads by Shiseido, but I have a package and a half left. I'm trying to get rid of those so I can concentrate on using these. I'll probably still keep a few on hand if I needed something real quick for travel or whatnot. Now in that video, I did one side using water and one side using the Bioderma micellar water. Using the micellar water works a lot better taking my makeup off than just using plain water. So I use the micellar water to take my eye makeup off, and it does its job, and then I'll either run water underneath it and rinse it off with the bar soap, or throw it in the washing machine and it cleans it off really well. I mean, I've used this many times. And it's crafted with microfibers, and let me bring it up close so you can see. It's real fluffy, really soft, and it comes in a pack of 3 or in a pack of 5. I know, odd numbers. But I like this because it does take my eye makeup off and it's reusable. Well, alright, those are my favorites for the month of June, and I got a hodgepodge of stuff here. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. But anywho, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.